We have the Accurite model 1300 3A2. This is a large display, loud audible alarm, snooze button. What I like about this clock, it has a 6-foot cord with it. Now this clock has IntelliTime, which when the power goes out, it remembers the time and alarm settings even when the power comes back on. It does it automatically for you. Now I like this large snooze button on top, but let me turn it around and show you the features on the back, because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 time zone settings on the back shown here. We don't have any clocks that have 7 time zone settings. This clock is extra special. Now I'm going to kill the lights, check out the illumination on this. Look at that. Quality by Accurite.